Jeanette, introduce yourself.
I'm Jeanette P. Villela, 41 years old. I have one child and I graduated, finished elementary education.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
No, ma'am. But
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn money and I want to help my family. And
Okay. Do you have experience in newborn baby?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How to take care of newborn baby?
I can give her food and I will take a bath every day and change the diaper and dress every day.
How about for the growing up children?
I will give her food and take care of her, and I will take a bath every day and preparing food for school.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook. I cook some Filipino dishes like adobo, lulo, and some vegetable dishes like chop suey and a lot.
Do you have experience in elderly or disabled persons?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn and I can do it and I can.
Okay. What is your promise, your future employer?
I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I'm hardworking and honest and willing to work every day.
Jeanette, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.